Maintenance work on a modern airliner in an aircraft maintenance hangar. In a very short space of time, all the necessary overhauling must be carried out with precise accuracy. This includes changing the landing gear and engines at specific intervals. Here you can see the installation of an overhauled engine of approximately 7.5 tons. The engine inches up to the jet, sitting on a device which, much like a hovercraft, can be moved in all directions, whilst maintaining absolute stability in terms of its position. Now great precision is required. After some small movements on the mobile control stick, the final assembly position is quickly and effortlessly reached. Landing gear and engine changes for large jets. Thanks to a specially developed changing carriage with a completely new type of drive and control system, this very time-consuming process is now much easier and can be performed in a much shorter time. Cutting-edge technology developed and manufactured in Braunschwaig by the specialists in explosion-proof industrial trucks, MIAG Fahrzeugbau GmbH. For over 80 years now, the name MIAG has stood globally not only for quality and experience, but also for innovative ideas and technological progress. For example, in 1927, MIAG developed one of Europe's first forklift trucks, the forked high-lift truck. In the field of explosion protection in particular, MIAG has repeatedly demonstrated its performance capabilities and become a leading manufacturer of explosion-proof industrial trucks. To meet the high requirements of explosion protection, all electrical and non-electrical equipment must be such that a potentially explosive atmosphere cannot be ignited. This is achieved, for example, by having a flame-proof enclosure. Sample certificates are required for all explosion-proof assemblies. In Germany, the German National Metrology Institute, in German Physikalisch-Technische Bundesanstalt, carries out these checks. The compressive strength of the encapsulation and the flame transmission safety levels are tested. During the explosion tests for penetration resistance, an explosive gas is ignited inside the component. Around the component, there is also a potentially explosive atmosphere. Only if explosion does not manage to penetrate to the outside is a component deemed to have passed the test. Here is some slow-motion footage of a laboratory experiment. First, an explosion with a narrow, sufficient crack. Test passed. And then with a widened crack. In the specialty field of explosion-proof industrial trucks, MIAG offers a wide range of products. The range of handheld devices includes electric pallet trucks, electric pallet stackers, electric forklifts, electric reach trucks, electric platform trucks, and electric multi-movers. All handheld devices are equipped with an electronically controlled drive and, depending on the requirements, a capacity of 1 to 3 tons. On request, special solutions can also be constructed, for example versions with a load capacity of 10 tons, a longer design with a scale or with a keyless entry system. Our single-axle multi-mover, the MIAG Power Pusher, is also operated by hand. It can be used to push or pull loads or external equipment, such as our elephant crane. The MIAG Power Pusher has a propulsion of 3,500 newtons. It is powered by an electronically controlled 3-phase motor with a braking energy recovery mechanism. The type EFU-XH electric pallet truck with driver's seat is used exclusively for lifting and transporting loads. It has a maximum lifting capacity of 6 tons. The EFU is particularly easy to use and provides a good overview of the work area, even when moving a high stacked load, thanks to the position of the driver's seat, which has been rotated by 90 degrees. Our electric three-wheel forklift EFG with driver's seat and our EFM-XE reach truck were designed for use in the tightest warehouse aisles. They are designed for loads of up to 2.5 tons. The EFG-XC four-wheeler can pick up loads of up to 3 tons. The drivetrain on our electric forklift with driver's seat uses AC electric motors, powerful, energy efficient and maintenance friendly. Our forklift range is rounded off by our DFG XD diesel forklifts with driver's seat for zones 1 and 2. They have a capacity of up to 4 tons. All forklifts are available with optional extras, such as drum grippers and trilateral heads. The electric EFW-XE transport trolley with seat is ideal for longer material flow paths and all other transport tasks. It also has a 3-phase drive motor. Our explosion-proof FHABEX aerial platforms can be used anywhere, are compact and yet cover a large area. Depending on the model, they have a maximum lifting weight of 8 or 12 meters. Its high payload allows 2 people to work with the relevant materials comfortably and safely. With its OmniDrive system, MIAG Fahrzeugbau GmbH is once again setting new standards for the future of transport technology. The secret of the OmniDrive is the mechanism wheel. This wheel consists of a rim with 8 non-fixed spherical rollers mounted at an angle of 45 degrees, so that they form a perfect circle across the rolling circumference. When the wheels are driven, the oblique arrangement of the rollers creates counter-directed force components. The counter-directed forces are compensated via the axles and the frame. The remaining forces are summed to provide the direction of travel. In this way, any driving maneuver is possible by controlling the rotational direction and the rotational speed of the individual wheels. The application possibilities of this drive system are inexhaustible. These explosion-proof work platforms are also designed for use in aircraft hangars. It saves the cost and time required to scaffold an aircraft during maintenance work and painting. A lift height of up to 10 meters is possible. A telescopic system ensures the greatest possible stability of the platform and thus maximum safety when working. The mobile control system, which uses joystick modules in combination with the OmniDrive system, allows the particularly delicate positioning of these explosion-protected access platforms near the aircraft. Ever more aircraft hangars are opting for the cost and time savings made possible by our interchange trucks and aerial work platforms. Thanks to OmniDrive with our TPW-XE transport platform trucks, you can achieve maximum precision in movements with only minimal maneuvering. They can be ordered with a load capacity of between 1.5 and 25 tons. Despite the variety of our range, we're not resting on our laurels. We have developed new charging technology which allows our equipment to be charged up within potentially explosive areas. The modular design of our equipment and transport systems means that designs specially adapted to the needs of our customers are possible. Together with our customers, we are constantly working on the further development of our range of equipment. Customer service is rated as being just as important as adapting new developments to the individual needs of our customers. Training seminars, for example at Burg Warberg, are held at regular intervals. Even with regard to MIAG services and the quick provision of spare parts, we set our bar very high. Spare parts from our central warehouse in Braunschwайg will be with the customer within 24 hours. More than 80 years as a leading manufacturer means we have high levels of technical know-how. Customers around the world rely on our quality. MIAG Fahrzeugbau GmbH helps you put tomorrow's decisions into effect today. Talk to us about your problems. We'd be happy to send you a robust proposed solution. MIAG Fahrzeugbau GmbH. New dimensions for the future of transport technology.